For number 1. So these questions are random. So, okay, group 1. What is your answer?
Digital rights and responsibilities now.
So, yes, it's correct. Very good, group 1. Okay. Number 2. Okay, group 2. Group 8. Let's see if it's correct. Okay, very good. So, okay, number 3. Daisy used a cultural model for the lesson plan and literature. What levels revise? Bloom's taxonomy is being displayed. Okay, group 2.
Apply, ma'am.
Apply. Correct. Very good. Group 2. So number 4. Parent found a nice name in the other website and downloaded it.
Now,
Okay, group 1.
copyright violation, but not plagiarism.
Oh, it's wrong. Okay, that's okay. Number 5. The following are examples of copyright infringement except 1. Okay, group 2.
You're copying the catchy phrase referred to the full name of the activities. Recommend your essay.
Okay.
Yay!
Yes, that is correct. Very good, group 2. So number 6. Lisa was able to state the following qualities of good literature during the oral recitation. Yes, group 2 again.
Remember now!
Remember. Okay, very good. So, next item, 7. Enacted what is known as concrete experiences in one of the level. Okay, group 1.
Direct and purposeful.
Okay, let's see. Yes, it's correct. Okay. So for number 8, it is the proper and correct actions that should be taken by those using digital technology.
Digital literacy.
Yes, group 2? Digital literacy. Digital literacy. Let's see if it's correct. Ay, correct na siya. Ang letter, ang capital letter. Digital literacy. Yes, correct. That is correct. It's wrong. Wrong. Okay, wrong. Sorry. Okay, next. Yes, group 1.
Fair use.
Fair use is correct. Very good. Group 1. Next is yes, group 2.
Understand.
Okay, let's see if it's correct. Okay, very good. You're going to take this. Okay. Power options. Okay, next. Okay, so those who were not able to answer the question, so you have the chance to answer it.
Two dots.
Okay. Karen found a nice name in the other website and downloaded it. Okay, group 1.
Copyright violation, but not plagiarism. Sorry, me. No, sorry.
Di ba? Nag-answer. Okay, group 1.
Yes. Director possible.
Direct and purposeful.
Wrong.
Wrong. Is iconic. That's okay. Okay. Yes, group 2.
Digital literacy.
Let's see if it's correct. Okay, very good. So for the next item would be, it represents like learning. Yes, group 1.
Direct and purposeful experience.
Yes, direct and purposeful experience. Direct and purposeful experience. Concurrent learning. That's wrong. Okay, next. Number 40. Mr. Boston is creating an account in the website.
Digital security.
System.
No, digital security.
Yes, mo nila kan sa
Digital koan.
Correct.
Correct! Yay!
Okay, very good, group 2. So number 15 represents the lawful right of an author. Yes, group 2.
Copyright.
Copyright. Let's see if it's correct. Yes, it's correct. Very good. So for the next item, it represents the gap between the
Now?
Yes, group 1.
Digital design. Digital.
Digital divide. Yes. Yeah, that's correct. Very good. Group 1.
Lagi sa diha.
Okay, number 17 is created to both.
Ay, mama.
So, both? Okay, both. That's the correct answer. Both group 1 and group 2.
Sila nung tatay.
Okay, for the next item. Department of Information and Communication Technology Act. Okay. Color. Blue.
Yellow.
And yellow. Okay. Number 9. Which following situation is under symbol? Yes, group 1.
Yellow.
No.
What group 1?
Letter B. Oh, yeah.
Color blue, as in blue na blue.
Ani? Pastel blue.
Or
Blue ba? Para sa ako, blue na dark. Ani?
Ang mga pinili blue. Yun daw po. Go.
It's okay, there is a redemption question you can.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Oh, which following picture?
Blue, ma'am.
Huh? Yes, yes. Picture one. Okay, group 2.
Blue, ma'am. Blue ako, ma'am.
Okay, correct.
You got it right.
So for the redemption question,
Sila?
um,
3,000.
so it is a proper correct. Okay, group 2.
Digital etiquette.
Citizenship. Tika.
Etiquette.
Etiquette. Let's see.
Wrong.
Citizenship.
English na, galing ko.
Okay, it's okay.
Sing.
All done. Calculating your resting.
Thank you so much. Further message.
Okay, tayo na natin.
No, di mo mag-break.
Let's break up, guys.
Okay na ako.
Okay,
Sunod na resurgency.
Okay,
Ayun ako.